Hello and welcome back to my festive channel. Today's video is going to be my what I do when I'm sad routine. This is definitely a different video and it's pretty interesting, but I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's kind of cinematic and comedic. I don't really know what it is, but this video is a collab with my great friend on YouTube, Taylor Layman. Definitely check out her channel. I'm so happy to be collabing with her because I feel like we have known each other on the community for a little while, but now we are starting to get to know each other better. So her video and social medias will be linked down below. Without any further ado, let's just get on into this video. Sometimes my feelings can feel so inescapable. I get sad easily. It's kind of bad, and this video is basically going to be me convincing myself that my feelings are a joke. So I'm sorry. When I'm sad, I first go into my kitchen and get some food. Food has always been an outlet for me when I'm upset, and it's really not the best. But I feel like food, it does a lot of things for a lot of people, and it's definitely not a great way to get happiness, but it happens. So I run out of food. I run out of that feeling of happiness. And I start realizing that I'm just stuffing my face with things that I don't need, and that food really isn't making me happy. So then I watch YouTube. When I feel sad, I watch YouTube because YouTube has always been an outlet that makes me feel happier. But then I figure out that looking at people's perfect lives on YouTube just makes me feel even worse. Watching people's perfect lives makes me feel like I'm the only one going through this, and that's not always the best. So then I sit down and listen to my sappy love song playlist on Spotify and check a couple VSCO posts. I've always been really into music and art and all of that, but I've never really produced the best music, but I really appreciate the beauty of music. A lot of my favorite artists are like mckeen, and she talks a lot about her feelings being fatal and just being confused, and I think that sappy love songs are honestly the best and my favorite to listen to. I'm kind of a hopeless romantic sometimes, and looking at VSCO posts is quite cute, and I just think that music really helps me connect with myself and just spend some more personal time instead of maybe talking to my friends or watching a TV show. But then I realized that no one actually likes me back, and I start writing songs about it. Writing songs has always been pretty fun for me. I don't really write the best songs, but they're really fun to play, and it's also great when I can actually play an instrument that helps me write these songs in the first place. Then I decide that why am I writing a song about not being liked back? This is so stupid. Then I realize that I haven't even practiced my piano, so I go do that. Practicing piano for me can either be the best time ever or literally torture. But I eventually get it done, I guess. After piano, I start thinking about a lot of more things that I was upset about before. I start realizing that I also have to practice my violin and about how I'm so behind in orchestra. So then I have a mental breakdown. After this mental breakdown, I just start thinking, there's no way I can get through this, so I need my friends. FaceTime them for like 2 to 3 hours. It's a thing. I don't FaceTime all my friends, but to the friends that I do FaceTime, thank you so much for being there for me. It seriously means the world to me. Then I realized that I'm not gonna find happiness through my friends, through social media, through having a perfect Instagram life. And that the only way I can really find happiness is to be strong in my faith with God, to be close to Him, to talk to Him, and that I'm not really gonna find happiness in the things that are temporary. And so many of these things that I'm talking about is temporary. These VSCO posts, it's so temporary. And then, because I'm a human, I repeat the process. No matter how many times I tell myself that praying is what really matters, being with God is what really matters, I repeat the process. And this happens about multiple times a week. I hope you guys really enjoyed this style type of video. I was gonna do something boring like a night or morning routine, but I thought I'd switch it up and, you know, add something that YouTube hasn't seen before, because that's always really fun. Don't forget to check out Taylor's video and her socials. And if you guys can relate to this video, please comment down below and share this video with your friends. If you have any. I don't. That's all I gotta say, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, Katya, for getting me this necklace, because I've wanted it for a while, and it's so freaking cute, and I'm literally gonna wear it every single day, so thank you. Walking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.